Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the console safe. Power off, unplug everything, and wait 10 minutes so residual charge drops. Once done, move to a clear, static-free surface and ground yourself. Anti-static wrist straps reduce risk. Next, remove the stand if attached, then grip the left side panel and slide it down, then lift off to access internals. This initial access is critical because rushing here can damage connectors. Take a deliberate, steady approach so you can proceed to repairs confidently. Once open, inspect the board and cooling system. Look for bulging capacitors, loose ribbon cables, or dried thermal paste. Use a multimeter to test the power board and fan for proper voltages and continuity. You want to confirm which component fails. If the fan is noisy or not spinning, remove screws and replace it with an OEM unit. For overheating, clean old paste and apply a thin, even layer of high-quality thermal compound so heat transfers correctly. This restores cooling efficiency. After replacing parts, reconnect every cable and receipt ribbon connectors. Make sure screws are snug but not over-torqued. Reattach the side panel and stand, then plug in and power on the Ps5. Observe boot, fan speeds, and temperatures during a short play session to confirm stability. If it won't boot, unplug and wait 10 minutes to discharge and try again. Clearing power can reset protections. If problems persist, like intermittent booting or motherboard faults, stop and seek professional repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.